Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from February's Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is For the Love of You. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the BCBG Essence de Vanille perfume, Elemis papaya enzyme peel, Dew of the Gods filla nitro under eye cream, Haus Labs Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm, and the Beaute Cosmetics Benetint. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, we have the BCBG Essence de Vanille perfume. This is the 20 milliliter size, and key notes are lychee, vanilla, and cashmere. I love all of those, and it definitely smells clean with a hint of vanilla. Next, I'm using the Elemis papaya enzyme peel. This is the most expensive product in the box at $52. It's a non-abrasive exfoliator, so you're just supposed to apply a thick layer and then rinse it off after 10 minutes. That actually made my skin silky smooth, so my first impressions are positive. Now let's apply the Dew of the Gods Filla Nitro Under Eye Cream. This is infused with caffeine, peptides, and retinol. It actually feels a lot more lightweight and hydrating than I was expecting. After that, I'm trying the Haus Labs Color Fuse Glassy Blush Balm. It's in the shade Glassy Rosette. I'm super excited about this one. I've had my eyes on these for a while, so I'm super thrilled to get one in Ipsy this month. The finish is just lovely. Finally, I'm applying the Beaute Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Stain. This is in the shade Raspberry. This one isn't new to me, it's actually quite the staple. Here's the finished look using products from February's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.